that spray actually got my windows clean. I had these put in last year and Windex just wouldn't do it. Whatever film was on there, Windex would not come off, take it off. Which way did you go on the inside? Left and right?
Side to side.
So the reason we go opposite ways is so you can tell where the streaks are. This stuff is amazing. So Russ already did the inside. And look how nice. Is this dirty? This window gets so dirty. All right, check me for streaks, hon.
Looks good.
And then we got screens on these, so I really need to go on the inside. And those are the kind that pop down. I'll probably do that a different day. But this stuff is great. So now let's do the dining room windows right away since we're eating in there. And I got this off of Amazon, but it came in a Sam's Club box, so I don't know. It's not easy to find. All right, so I'll go left and right here. Let me know if I missed something. I took too big of a woof. But it smells great. You know what I just thought of? This smells like the stuff when you go get your car cleaned. I wonder if this is what they use. It does. Okay. Can't tell yet if it's streaked. What a beautiful day. Up and down now. So remember, you go the opposite ways and you can tell which way you streaked it. I don't think these windows have ever been this clean. Even though we just got these last year.
We just got them this fall.
Oh yeah. Those were. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one back. Does it look all right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's nice. Okay, same thing here. Up and down.
I don't think that stuff really streaks.
Well, we tried it on the car. And you
Yeah.
said it's streaked, but that could have just been
The car windows are really dirty.
bad. We'll just have to do it again. But it just like evaporates. Look at that. I really highly recommend this. I had no idea this stuff existed. Ah, look at that. I'm sorry, this seems probably no big deal to you, or I'm crazy, but I have not had clean windows like this in this house, ever. I love it. What do you think, Russ?
They look good.
I recommend this 100%. Again, spray away. World's best glass cleaner. Yes, it is. Ammonia free if you're worried about that. Clean, fresh scent. Yes, it is. It smells good. American company. I don't know what else to say. It's great. It is great. All right. Got it? Thanks for watching, everybody. I highly recommend this. Enjoy your beautiful days now that you can see them through the windows. Bye.